Now, while we're on the topic of symmetry, I'm going to have to jump into some shameless self-promo here and tell you about a plugin called Flipper. Flipper makes symmetry so much easier in Moto, and I'm not just saying that because it's my plugin. This is one of my most popular plugins. Everyone I show it to loves it, experienced users, new users alike. This is a really powerful way to work in Moto. Let's hide these backdrop meshes and select some of this stuff and delete it, and we're going to convert this to a flipper item. The easiest way to do that is to delete half of it so that you're left with just the polys that you want to be able to modify, that is these polys over on the one side. Now with the mesh item selected, we'll head over to our flipper menu, convert mesh to flipper, and choose the x-axis. We do have multi-axis symmetry here, of course, but we're going to stick with x for now and hit OK. All that does is create an instance for us on the other side, and let us work on this side while seeing, of course, those changes happen in real time on the other side. One of the really nice things about this is that it means that fall-offs work exactly as you would expect. In Moto, one of the kind of fundamental problems with the way that symmetry works is that it's really hard to know which side of a model your fall-off applies to. Well, this product solves that problem entirely and gives us a lot of other possibilities as well. So I'm going to set this to sort of ease in. So we're just kind of creating a little bit of bulge in this shape. Hit escape to drop the tool, go back to perspective, and I want to see this smoothed out, right? So I hit the tab key and well, it actually kind of looks weird because the instance and the original mesh are not merged. So we get these weird edges. To fix that, we can select our item, head over to Flipper, and down to Flatten Flipper. That's going to convert this into a single mesh item. You can add morph deformers, any of that kind of stuff, UV mapping, anything you can do with any normal mesh you can do with this Flipper mesh. And we can move it around, rotate it, rig it, any of that stuff, and when we want to make changes to it, just select it, go to Flipper, expand Flipper, and we're left with the two items again. Select these guys, make a change, and we get to see that happen in real time on the other side. So you can see how this could be a very powerful way to work, especially if you need multi-axis symmetry for doing both X and Y at the same time, or X, Y, and Z at the same time. Very, very cool stuff. Sales pitch over, but I definitely recommend this. Like I said, it's very popular. People really like it, find it very useful. Definitely head to mechanicalcolor.com and check that out. Okay, let's get back to work.